Ankle, knee, hip, shoulder, pause. No ball as of now. We're going down on the floor. Leg up flat. Facing up. Yes, please. Leg up flat on your back. Face up. Bend to the knees. Bend to the knees. Tucking 90 seconds. Hands inside of the body or below your hips as per your comfort zone. Bend to the knees. 90. Start. 90 seconds. 90. Perfect. Hold. I'm blocking it. Thirty. 60 seconds up, 30 more to go. $15 more to go. And done. Okay. Now continue keeping your hands at the side of the body or below your hips as per your comfort. Right leg bent, left leg straight. Lift both the legs up halfway. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Super. Pull the right knee to the chest. Keep the left leg straight. Start flipping your left leg up and down, 50 of them. All the way up, all the way down. Once you finish 50, change sides. both sides up. So pull the right knee again back to the chest. Keep your left leg straight. Lift it up and go clockwise 30 circles, anti-clockwise 30 circles. Left leg clockwise 30, anti-clockwise 30. Knee straight up. Done. Super. Now put your hands below the hips. Keep both your legs straight. Take both your legs together, going up and down, 30 of them. Hands below the hips or on the side of the body. Take both your legs together, going up and down, 30 of them. Super. I'll take both your legs all the way up. Both your legs all the way up. Start flipping your left leg up and down, 30 of them, keeping the right leg all the way up. Flip only your left leg up and down, 30 of them. The right leg continues to stay up. Knee straighter. Knee straight as you flip. Both your legs continue to stay up, knee straighter. Flip only the left leg up and down, 30 of them. Once you finish left leg 30, switch over to right leg 30. Right? Now repeat the same thing the other way around. Lie down flat, your feet 1 inch off the ground. Okay. In the previous exercise, your leg were all the way up. In this one, your feet is just 1 inch off the ground, and you start flipping your left leg up and down, 30 of them. Start vertical scissors up and down 50. Vertical scissors, alternate legs up and down, 50 of them. Start all the way down, all the way down. Hands at the side of the body or below your hips as per your comfort zone. Perfect. Super. Take both the legs up halfway, start going wide close, 50 of them. Halfway. Lower, lower, lower. Perfect. Start. Start going wide close, 50 of them. Perfect. Wide close, 50 of them. Nice. Yeah. Start. Turn around to your right side plank. Both your legs one on top of each other. Start taking your hips up and down, 30 of them. Yeah. Turn to your right side. On the right forearm, both your legs one on top of each other, and you start taking your hips up and down, 30 of them. Nice. $30, then change sides. Another 30. Hips go up and down. Hands on the hips. Lift, 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 lift. More higher. Go on the forearm. No lift. Yeah, perfect. Turn back to your right side. Now keep your top leg in front of the bottom leg. Yeah, that's good. Lift your hips up. Hip up. Start going up and down. 30 of them. Yeah. Now lift your hips up and down. 30 of them. Can be here. Better. On your hips. Perfect. 30, change sides. Nice. No doubt. I think you were on lockdown specials, so that did well for your body. Huh? Top leg in front of the bottom leg. Perfect. Come back to the right side, same position. Top leg in front. Lift your hips up and start flipping the top leg up and down 30 of them. Huh? Monkey tricks come somewhere. Mind is always wondering as a sadist how to torture you. Welcome to Nazi camp, and I'm your Hitler. I'm the paid Hitler. Start, lift your hips up and start flipping your top leg up and down 30 of them. Side, yeah, lift your hips up. Yeah, and now you start flipping your top leg up and down. Yeah, flip it up and down, 30 of them. Nice. You get a senior citizen discount of 5, so you can do 25. Perfect. Change sides. Flip the legs more up and down. If you're finding it difficult, you can take hand support. There's no harm in taking hand support. No, that way. Now come back to the right side. This is the last one in the plank position. But if you're foam rolling, you need good upper body strength. Go back on the right side plank position, lift your hips up. Hip twist, pelvic twist. Perfect, man. Now you know that. Nice. Hip twist. See what she's doing. She couldn't even lift before.
I know.
30 of them.
I'm very happy for her. Outdone herself in the last 6 months.
Yeah, but let us make us feel happy for you also. Do it.
What I do at 60, I'm very good what I do. I don't break my hand or something.
Atmandir bar bolo. Atmandir
I
bar
don't
bolo.
know.
Lift your hips up and go twisting.
No, I'm not doing that.
Then you lay down flat on your back. Wait for her to. 30 somewhere on each side. Perfect. No, you're twisting it in front, center, front, center. Yeah, it's on back center. Perfect.
Seriously, you should make it a role model here. Very, very good. God bless her.
Yeah, she's been a role model. That's why we are recording. Think for the rest of the guys. People who are missing it can use the recording and play it. Perfect. Now lie down flat on your back. Hands are at the top, straight up. No, straight up. Towards the ceiling, bend both the knees. Lift your hips up. Start walking. 50 of them. Right up, right down, left up, left down. On the spot. Right, left, up and down. Your hip continues to stay up, and you go right, left, up and down. Your hands stay up. Perfect. 50 right taps is what you're doing. 50 only. Nice. After this, take a break of 30 seconds. The next 5 of them are back to back. Lift up more. Go high. I thought of gate crashing a recording. That's why I stopped. Done. Rest it out for about 30 seconds. We continue with the rest of them. Okay. Bend both the knees. Take both your hands up. Go up on your toes. Lift your hips up and start running 100 right taps. Start running 100 right taps. Increase speed. So you're not walking. Try to jog, run. Increase speed slowly, gradually. 100 right taps. You will get cramps on your calf, hamstring, everywhere. Keep going. Okay, then drop your hands down and then lift your hips up. Continue to remain on your toes. Perfect. Done. Done? Yeah. Okay, at least start walking. Walk, then go brisk walk, then jog. Perfect. Now increase speed. Yeah. Perfect. Increase speed. If you're finding the toes difficult, try to go foot flat. Not recommended per se. Done. And leave your hands to the side of the body, lift your hips up, jump wide, jump close, 30 of them. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. That's all. Jump wide, jump close, 30. Perfect. Now cross your right, leave your hands at the side of the body. Cross your right heel on top of the left knee. Keep both the knees bent. Keep both the knees bent. Now start taking your hips up and down, 30 of them. Go all the way up, all the way down. Go all the way up, all the way down. Go slowly. All the way up, all the way down. Do not dance there. Once you finish 30 on one side, change sides. Thirty of them again. No, one more. Yeah, three more on this side. Okay. Now pull the right knee to the chest with both your hands. Keep your left knee bent, foot flat. Start taking your hips up and down, 30 of them. Go slow, but go all the way up, all the way down. Go slow, go all the way up, all the way down. Your movement will be very, very minimalistic. As you begin to go, yes, perfect. Change sides. Nice. Okay. Keep both your legs bent. Take both your hands all the way up. Lift your hips up. Now take your right leg to the right palm, left leg to the left palm, alternatingly 30 each. Keep your leg all the way up. All the way up straight. But your hip stays up in the air. I repeat again, take your hands up, lift your hips up, take your right leg to the right hand, left leg to the left hand. 30 on each side, perfect. Hip continues to remain up. Done? Super. So roll over onto your tummy. On the forearm. Plank and hold 60 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, start. Hold. Fifteen. 30. 45. Super. Plank up. Yes, please. Plank on the ball. Start taking your hips up and down 30 of them. Yeah, drop your hips up and down 30 of them. Your knee remains straight. Drop your hips up and down. Perfect. 30. More lower. Once you finish up and down, you go twisting. 30 right, 30 left.
All these yoga, wellness yoga, asana, they have this perfect legs.
Start hip twisters. Legs wide up. One side first. You finish right center, right center. Then you go to left center, left center. You can do it on the edge of the bed or on the edge of the chair. Instability. Come, roll over completely. Take both your legs up. Huh? No, we bought another one because still unable to open up the HSR clinic. So I ordered another one. It just came today morning. Roll over. Take both the legs up and start bending. Keep your own butt. Alternate knee bending. Alternate knee bending. Yes, please. Once you finish alternate, then you switch over to double leg. Once you bring alternate legs, go double leg. Deepak, you can try doing it on the edge of the bed with both the legs hanging out. Go more inside. No, go more inside. So your thigh is also supported. Perfect. Bend it completely. Keep your own butt. Go back to the edge and sit on the ball. No, say. It's actually good for your back. When you straight and try to hold it up without gravity, against gravity. Lift it up. Now sit on the ball and slide out. Okay. Take your right leg kick out straight in front of you. Kick straight. Cross your hands over the shoulders. Rest your shoulder blade and your head on the edge of the ball, the bed, or the chair that's available out for you. Okay. Sit. Slide out. Only your head and your shoulder blade is rested. Your hips are out. You kick your right leg straight up, right out, right down, left up, left down, alternatingly 30 each. Start. Perfect. Nice. Try to go more higher. Kick more higher. Kick more higher. Nice. Don't go suddenly. You're jerking it. No, you do not hold your breath in any of these exercises. Lift up. Perfect. And down. Go slow. Don't be in a hurry to land down. Slide. Cross your hands over the shoulders or the chest. Now go right leg up, right leg down, left leg up, left leg down. Now kick straight kicks. Nice. Keep going. 30 on each side. Right up, right down, left down, 30 on each side. Keep your hips out. Keep your hips out. Nice. Once you finish, you take your hips up and down 30 of them. So try attempting the this one. Then you do, you go hips up and down 30 of them. You finish that and then probably do. So probably the muscles taking slightly longer to get activated. Then just take your hips up and down 30 of them. Nice. Take it all the way up, all the way down. Go up nicely. You'll feel the pain on the lower back a bit, but that's okay. You're working about hamstrings. Go 30 of them. Then you take your hips up and down. Nice. Go slowly. Nice. Sit on the ball, start ball walking, use the bounce. Relax yourself. Use the bounce on the ball. So what we did today was core. Plus abs, lower back, mid back, upper back. Then it's over. Okay. Start shoulder rolls. Clock 10, anti-clock 10. Lock your shoulders, stretch them out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elbow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Lock the ball. Take both your hands to the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Right again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Opposite hand and leg. Left hand, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Right hand, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Now step both your legs out. Now go the right hand to the left leg. Right hand to the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Both hands, both legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. Done.